The Gamlitzberg is one of the largest continuous vineyards in southern Styria, and I see it as an area where you can drink wine, enjoy culinary delights, relax, unwind, and also experience something new. The Weinschmiede has been around for 3 years now, so this is the 3rd season that we have been running a kind of wine tavern with 8 double rooms and a wellness area. There is also a small barrel sauna, and we have rebuilt and restored it as it was earlier, so we have combined the latest know-how with some of how it used to be. How can shading help? Quite simply because you don't have to get up and go inside if it starts to rain. Wind, now that is something we paid particular attention to. And of course warmth. In the evening, when it gets dark, it can turn really cold. So it is also a form of protection, in this case against the cold. What could be better? You're all snug and curled up in a blanket with a good glass of wine. Perfect, don't you think?
Perfekt, oder?
For me, the markilux pergola stretch is definitely the best choice. The fabric itself provides perfect protection against wind and weather. It is smooth, there is nothing flapping about, you don't really even notice it. Because I love warm colours, I took a bit of time to investigate what would fit in with our natural surroundings. Actually, this beige is a really earthy colour. We live off the terroir, our wine is made from the terroir, and that's why we chose this colour, to stay as earthy as possible, as down to earth as possible, with this wonderful view that has not at all been impaired. What more could you ask for? We have a fantastic partner company, the company TRS. They really helped us with the planning and preparation, and that meant it didn't give us much work at all. They said they would be coming on a specific date, and there it is, our project. Perfect. For me, it is very important to be able to serve food and drink outside. I want my guests to stay, taste wine, enjoy their wine, and maybe even take some wine home with them. The shared dish that we offer, our snack of bread, cold cuts and cheese, I think people really relish that. And that's also what they are looking for. That they can come here, enjoy a wonderful evening, and then simply drop into bed.